Tini Chitini Papa Makon Wanta, Tini Toshak Lili Shon, Tini Zama Kanyang Maza Wanta, Penor Johnson La Sopa Simjan La Nopa, Kiani Zam Kanga Zama Maza Wanta, Tini Shijita Hachanga Santumbu Kaziri, Halibayak Boris.
So the highest form of vegetarianism is this kind of vegetarianism where we don't use or appropriate anything that comes from an animal's body, whether it be their hide or food, as in the case of bees that is taken directly from them.
Tani karti tinji tini yakbo halipaga chantumbo mayuna, tani ti marjibla tini ngazo perna simching tini shamaza wanja ota, chagmantong wanja ota, tani simching tini Simching Tsi Num Mazawanjao Tindiona Halepa Yakbores.
If we're not able to practice this really high, this highest form of vegetarianism, then the next form would be a kind of vegetarianism where we don't consume animals' meat, blood, or their fat.
Then, that Tesoyang Dini Zavani Mayuna, Tayindamanda Shazagona, Deni Tangazo, Joshak Sumbu, Mazava, Pena Churni Chonchondao, Teso, Inangazo, Deni Nya Yenanda, Deni Churni Chonchon Teso, Sul Halipa Dubushini, Sunny Zariori, Denit Machina Yaboris.
But if we're really not able to give up eating meat entirely, then what we do need to refrain from is eating small animals who are still alive. So particularly things like seafood, which are caught live and are killed in the most, or they die the most appalling deaths. These kinds of animals we need to refrain from eating.
Then in Atsu, then Haliba and Jixurung with the Shawa, Tweetan. Halibi in Jixurung, Halibi, Duxubkutini Shawa, so Tamshi, then around so Zachokotoni, Sanju, Zachokotoni Ungoris.
The most cruel and barbaric form of diet is that which appears on our dinner table.
Then around so what any Zachokotola Yunkin Simjin Mambo's the Tini Korantarong Sumboris. Yena Tini Sumbu Tisongazo Mogotini Zagayori, Sumbu Sotola Perna, Derma Ganganala Tini, the Structure Mambo Taron Tini, Katarki Yunkin, Tini Yunkin, Tinjiganala, Num Sakuliniting at some Zagayoris.
These kind of food that arrives on the dinner table refers to people who consume small creatures that are still writhing, that are still moving, and then we kill them by immersing them in hot oil and then put them in our mouths.
Dini shirtang atso dini Karzi she go reta yena Karzi pena Mukashi Kajizaka or Ne Karzi Zago Zatubgumundu Naran Sha Gabuyo Ne Shapantubgumundu Zena, then Aranso Goa Lungandus, Nangolici.
There are some people who say that, I just can't be vegetarianism, it's too difficult for me to give up meat. And at one level we can definitely understand this kind of feeling.
Yena Natsu Tini Zajokotola Tinji Tini Simjin Sola Tini Dummertang, Dixabtang, Halipa Tini, Nachu Tindishini, Dela Samlo Motane Zat Natsu Goalunga Mandusite.
However, while we might be able to understand that some people are not able to give up eating meat, to imagine that people would be able to sit at a dinner table and consume animals in such a barbaric way is something that defies our capacity to empathize with people.
Penangaso Chula Tapa machine can mamboyore, Machina Chobarese, Pena Choran Sanji Shakatapala Tapa Machina Chokore, Choran Ishi Chula Tapa Machina Chokore, Tengazuko Longandusi, Samba Chula Tapa Shig Manzina, Tengazuko Malungi Mandus.
There are lots of people without particular religious faith, so there's no insistence that anyone be Buddhist or that they be Christian or anything like this. In fact, the question